I'm bored, and I should probably be writing my paper for molecular biology. Yeah, that's it. Okay, this is a Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna solve it. I'm not fast. This has not been modified in any way. You know, there's some guys that go by and like shave it and oil it so it can like be speed cubed. I can't do that because, well, I'm not that bored. But I'm somewhat bored. Current time is 9:57, and I should definitely be doing work, and I'm not going to, but I'm going to solve this, and we're going to see how the fastest I can do it for right now, even though I haven't solved it in like a couple months, or maybe close to a year. I don't remember the last time I did it. Okay, so we're going to start with red. And let's begin. I'm not fast again. I made this statement once before, but just in case you weren't paying attention. Top layer done. You can hear the fact that it's not really that good of a Rubik's Cube. Second layer done. Let's put it this way. No idea what I just did. Oh. That works for me. Finished. Probably. Yeah, 3 minutes. It works.